Hi, I'm Dan Wilton. I'm the CEO of First Mining Gold. First Mining has a portfolio of projects, gold projects in Canada. And we're advancing our flagship asset, which is the Springpole Gold Project, a 5 million ounce equivalent project in northwestern Ontario. We're taking through the environmental assessment and feasibility process over the next year. We operate in Canada. All of our projects all of our portfolio assets and our projects in our portfolio are in Canada. Many million ounce resources, some being advanced by partners and some being advanced by us. And the primary asset, as I said before, is the Springpole Gold Project, which is a 5 million ounce equivalent large open pit project, one of the largest undeveloped open pit gold projects in Canada. And we're advancing that through the environmental assessment and feasibility process through the course of 2022 and 2023. So big milestone coming up is actually we're completing a 10,000 page environmental assessment document, environmental impact statement, which we are aiming to submit early in 2022, so Q1 of 22. That really formally starts a bunch of the permitting time clock, and I think is a very important milestone in demonstrating the progress of the project. In addition to that, we've also started and aiming to do more exploration around our Springpole project and around our Cameron project as well. So should start having drill results, start drilling in a regional exploration program, which should start seeing some drill results in Q1 of 2022 as well. And really with a goal of demonstrating that the 5 million ounces equivalent that we have at Springpole is the starting point, not the ending point of this deposit. We have a team that's really come together relatively recently. So I joined in 2019 as CEO, and we've had pretty much significant change out of the team, bringing in some people with real expertise. So our Chief Operating Officer, Ken Enquist, who's been involved in a number of really significant gold development projects over the last 5 years. Ken joined us in 2019. We added Steve Lines as our VP Environment and Community Relations about a year ago. And Steve brought with him an entire team of people who spent the prior 6.5 years permitting the Hard Rock project in Ontario, which is very comparable in size and scale to Springpole. And that project's actually in construction. It broke ground about 2 weeks ago. So that's very exciting. And that team's made an enormous difference to our ability to move this project through the environmental assessment process. And most recently, we just added James Maxwell as a VP Exploration. And James has a great background in finding gold, and particularly a great family background in this area of northwestern Ontario where we operate. Super passionate and very excited about the fact that we've increased our land package at Springpole by about 70% in the last year. So a bunch of really interesting exploration targets, which we're about to really start unlocking here over the course of the next year. So it's a pretty exciting time, despite the fact we're in the permitting process. And some people often say that environmental assessment's not exciting. We're gonna have a lot of drill results that are gonna help, I think, keep focus on the story as it moves forward. Key message is First Mining Gold is very deep value right now. I think it's an outstanding time to be looking to invest because I think we have the team. We have $30 million plus in cash on the balance sheet to be able to fund a lot of the really significant and hard work that you need to do to make a mine. There's a great saying that great mines are made, not found. And I think we're right at the point now where as we demonstrate progress on this environmental assessment, as we demonstrate exploration success, not just at Springpole, but the rest of our projects, as our partners on our other projects unlock a lot of value with their own exploration, which is about 125,000 meters over the course of the next year. We think those are going to be worth a lot more than they are right now. So just a lot of really positive catalysts and momentum as we realize the potential of this 5 million ounce equivalent project, which is one of the largest undeveloped projects in Canada. it's been amazing. I mean, honestly, the fact that we can actually meet with people in person, and what I really love, you know, the team at 1-to-1 did such a good job of keeping us connected in the pandemic virtually, as painful as it was sometimes. You know, what's amazing is most of our schedule here is people that we've already met over the last couple of years, but we probably never met them in person before. So to be here, to be shaking hands and using a lot of hand sanitizer, but shaking hands and actually just connecting with people in person again has just been wonderful. So we've got a great schedule of investor meetings, nice combination of potential new investors and old friends. So it's just been fantastic.